Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use the TransferGo Android app to send money quickly and easily. TransferGo is a great tool for international money transfers, so let's get started. First, you will need to install the TransferGo app from the Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app. If you're new to the TransferGo, tap Sign Up. Enter your details to create an account. If you already have an account, just tap Login, enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will need to set up your profile. Enter your personal information like name, address, and phone number. This helps ensure your transactions are secure. To send money, you will first need to add recipient. Tap on Send Money, then Add Recipient. Enter the recipient's detail, including their name, bank account information, and the country they are in. You can save this information for future transfers. Now enter the amount you want to send and select the currency. You will also need to choose delivery speed. TransferGo offers different options, including standard, express, and even instant transfers depending on the destination. Next, review the detail of your transfer. Make sure everything is correct, including the recipient's information and the transfer amount. If everything looks good, tap Confirm. To complete the transaction, you will need to make the payment. TransferGo offers various payment methods, including bank transfers and debit or credit cards. Choose your preferred method. Once your payment is confirmed, you can track the status of your transfer within the app. TransferGo will also send you a notification to keep you updated on your transfer's progress. And that's it. You have successfully sent money using TransferGo Android app. It's simple and efficient way to handle international money transfers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.